Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Understanding Shapes, exercise 16b. Page number 192, question 13. AB, BC and CD are three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. Now we know what a regular polygon is. This is one in which the interior angles are equal, the exterior angles are equal, and the sides are equal. So that is a regular polygon. Now here we've been given three consecutive sides. Okay, we don't know how many sides there are, but we've been given three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. So let's draw just to make our answer easier, our working easier. So here we have one side, we have one more side, and we have one more side. So here we've been given only three sides. We don't know how many more sides are there to complete this regular polygon. So this will be A, B. So this is AB, and we have BC and CD. So much is given to us AB, BC and CD. So AB, BC and CD. These are the three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. And we know that in a regular polygon, all sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC and that's equal to CD. So keep this in mind. Now, what else is given to us? We are told that angle BAC is 20. It's given to us. If angle BAC is 20, we have to find out a few other things. And the first one is to find each interior angle. Angle BAC. Now, B is here, A is here, and see, that means here we should have an angle, isn't it? That means I need to have a line here. So we have a line there. So this is the angle. That means this is 20 degrees. This is given to us. 20 degrees is given to us. Now we also know that angle BAC will be equal to BCA. Now that means this. Okay. So this is BCA. Now this angle and this angle are equal. Now how do we know that? Angles opposite to equal sides. This is one side and this is one side, and these two are equal sides, and the angles opposite them will also be equal. So this is also 20 degrees. Now if we find angle B, this will give us the interior angle of this polygon. See, this forms the interior angle, whereas this part does not form the interior angle here. Only if I have both together, it becomes interior angle. Similarly here, this does not form the interior angle. Okay, so only angle B will give us the interior angle. So we need to find out angle B. So how do we do that? Now we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Now we have a triangle here. So all the interior angles together should add up to 180. And now we can find out angle B. So how do we do that? Angle ABC, that is this angle, plus angle BAC, that is this angle, plus angle BCA, which is this angle. All three together should give us 180. So let's substitute and see. So angle ABC is what we are going to find out, or this is also angle B alone. Now how much is angle BAC? It's 20 degrees. Angle BCA is also 20 degrees. Together we must get 180 degrees. So that means angle B plus 20 is 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So we can easily find angle B now, isn't it? Angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. So that is equal to 140 degrees. So we have found angle B to be 140 degrees. So that we can write it here. So this is now 140 degrees. Angle B is 140 degrees. So that means we have found the interior angle. And what do we know about regular polygons? In a regular polygon, all interior angles are equal. So if B is 140, each interior angle will be 140. So let's write that each interior angle is 140 degrees. So this is our answer to the first question. Question 2 of the same question. Now we have to find its each exterior angle. And we know that interior angle plus exterior angle of the polygon will be equal to 180 degrees. And we just found out the interior angle is 140 degrees plus the exterior angle of the polygon is 180 degrees. So now we can find the exterior angle of the polygon. That will be 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, which is 40 degrees. So we have found our exterior angle. Each exterior angle is 40 degrees. So this is our answer to the second question here. Third question here is we have to find the number of sides in the polygon. Now we can use the formula of the exterior angle, that is the measure of each exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees by n. We can use this formula. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n. And what is n? N is the number of sides. So to find the number of sides, we can use this formula. Now we found out in the previous question how much the exterior angle is. Exterior angle is 40 degrees. So according to this formula, exterior angle, which is 40 degrees, is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. Now to find the value of n, we can bring n to the left hand side. So here it is division. When it comes here, it becomes multiplication. So this is n into 40. N into 40 degrees is 360 degrees. Now we can find the value of n. We can say n is equal to 360 divided by 40. Cancel. I can cancel this. Can cancel this 9. So n is equal to 9. And what is n? N is the number of sides. So we have found the number of sides, and that is 9. So we've got all three answers now. We found the interior angle, the exterior angle, and now we found the number of sides. Question 40. Two alternate sides of a regular polygon, when produced, that means when we extend it, they will meet at right angles. Okay, so let's just draw that just for our understanding's sake. So we have one side here and one side here. So we'll take this as two alternate angles, alternate sides of a regular polygon. Here it says when it is produced, they will meet at right angles. That means if I extend this a little like this, and I extend this also, they will meet at right angles. So this meeting point here is 90 degrees because it says right angles, isn't it? So the meeting point here is 90 degrees. That means this has now become the interior angle of this polygon. Now what is our question? Calculate the number of sides in the polygon. So we have to find out how many sides this polygon has. Now here we know what the interior angle is. So let's write that. So the interior angle of the polygon is 90 degrees. Now to calculate the number of sides, we can use either the formula of the interior angle or the formula of the exterior angle. Okay, so the formula for the exterior angle is easier. So let's try and use that. So before that, we should find out what the exterior angle is, isn't it? So we can say this, that is the interior angle plus the exterior angle of a polygon will be 180 degrees. And we know that the interior angle is 90 degrees. 90 degrees plus the exterior angle will give us 180. So how much will the exterior angle be? This will also be 90 degrees, isn't it? Because 90 plus 90 will give us 180. So now we know the value of the exterior angle. We can use that formula to find the number of sides. That is, exterior angle equals 360 degrees by n, and exterior angle is 90 degrees. So let's write that. So exterior angle is 90 degrees, and this side we have 360 degrees divided by n. Okay, n is the number of sides. So we will take n to the other side, so it becomes n into 90, which is equal to 360 degrees. Or to find the value of n alone, we say n is equal to 360 divided by 90. So now if we cancel, 9 fours are 36. We have found the number of sides of this polygon. The number of sides n is equal to 4. So we have found the number of sides, and that is 4 sides. Question 15. In a regular pentagon ABCDE, draw a diagonal BE and then find the measure of. Now there are three angles that we should find the measure of. First is we should find the measure of angle BAE. So here we are talking about a regular pentagon. So let's draw a regular pentagon. We have that. Let's name it A, B, C, D and E. So we have A, B, C, D and E. Now the next part is draw a diagonal BE. So we have B here and E here. We have to draw a diagonal. So we have a diagonal. Now we have to find the measure of angle BAE. BAE means we have to find the measure of this angle here. Okay, so angle BAE is the measure of this angle that we need to find out. Now here, as you can see, this is an interior angle. So we can use the formula of interior angle. That is, we know since ABCD is a regular polygon, when we use this formula, we say interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. And since it's a pentagon, we know that it has 5 sides. So to find the interior angle, we say n minus 2, that is 5 minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by n, and n is 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 divided by 5. So you can cancel. So here we have 5, 3's are 15, and then we have 3 here, 5 6's are 30. 36 into 3, and 36 into 3 is 108. That means we have found the interior angle to be 108 degrees. So let's write that angle BAE is 108 degrees. So we found the first answer. Now we have to find the measure of angle ABE, that is this part, this one. We have to find the measure of this angle. Let me color that in green for you to understand. So here, this is the angle that we need to find out, angle ABE. Now, in triangle ABE, that is this triangle that we are talking about, triangle ABE, AB is equal to AE. AB is equal to AE because this is a regular pentagon, isn't it? It's a regular pentagon, so the sides are equal. So AB is equal to AE. That means angles opposite to the equal sides, that is angle ABE and angle AEB, will be equal to each other. This angle and this angle will be equal to each other. So the angles marked in green are angles that are equal to each other. Now we need to find angle ABE, that is this angle we need to find, isn't it? So let's use this property. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, and here angle BAE, that is here, angle ABE, that is this angle, and angle AEB, this angle, will all add up to 180 degrees. So let's substitute. Angle BAE is what we found out, isn't it? Angle BAE we found out to be 108 degrees. Plus, now look at this here, angle ABE and angle AEB we don't know, but the measure we don't know, but we know that they are equal to each other. So we can replace this with angle ABE since we have to find that out. That is, I'm going to write angle ABE plus, again I'm going to write angle ABE because both the angles are equal. The statement says that, isn't it? Both the angles are equal. So instead of this, I'm writing ABE because that is what I need to find out. Now all three will be equal to 180 degrees. So now I can write this as 108 degrees plus 2 of angle ABE will be equal to 180 degrees. How did I get 2? Here I have 1 and I have one more here. So now to find out this, to find out 2 of angle ABE, I can say 180 minus 108. That means 2 of angle ABE will be 72 degrees. 180 minus 108 is 72. So now to find out 1, that is only angle ABE, I divide 72 by 2 and that is 36. That means I have found the value of angle ABE and that is 36 degrees. So this is my answer. Next question is we have to find angle BED. Now where is BED? BED, it is this angle here. That is this angle in purple. Now how to find only this part? If we know the measurement of this whole thing and we subtract the measurement of the green part, we will get this part, isn't it? So what is this measurement of this whole thing? So that will be angle AED, and this is a regular pentagon. That means all interior angles are equal. So if this is 108, this whole thing is 108. So angle AED is 108. From that, if we subtract this angle alone, that is, if we take angle AEB, AED, okay, that is the whole angle. Angle AED will be the whole angle, and we subtract only this green part, that is angle AEB, that is angle AEB, then we will get angle BED. So we already know the measurement here. How much is angle AED? Now angle AED is this whole thing, that is the purple and the green together, and all interior angles are equal. So if this is 108, this is also 108 degrees. So that is 108 degrees minus angle AEB. This is AEB. Okay. So AEB, only this green portion, that is 36 degrees, we will find angle BED. So again, write that as BED. So we will find angle BED. So let's write that angle BED. So now we just have to subtract these. 108 minus 36 is 72 degrees. 72 degrees, which is the value of angle BED. So we have our answer. Angle BED is equal to 72 degrees. Question 16. The ratio between the number of sides of two regular polygons is 3:4. And the ratio between the sum of their interior angles is 2:3. Now find the number of sides in each polygon. So we've been given the ratio between the number of sides, that is 3:4, and the ratio between the sum of their interior angles. So first is the number of sides. So let the sides be 3x and 4x. So we'll take the sides of the two polygons to be 3x and 4x. Then the sum of the interior angles of any polygon of side n is, now here interior angles, the sum of their interior angles is 2:3. If you take the sum of the interior angles of any polygon of side n, this is the formula, isn't it? N minus 2 into 180. Now here there are two polygons. So n minus 2 into 180. In the place of n, we are first going to write 3x and write everything as it is. And second, in the place of n, we are going to write 4x and write everything as it is. So here 3x minus 2 into 180, that is this whole thing, instead of n I've put 3x, is to 4x minus 2. Instead of n I put 4x because it's the side of the second polygon. Now this is the sum of the interior angles of the first polygon. This is the sum of the interior angles of the second polygon, and the ratio between them is 2:3, which is given to us. Now we have to calculate this and find the answer. So here this is a ratio, isn't it? Now ratio can also be put in the form of a fraction or division form. That means here I can say 3x minus 2 into 180 is to, now here it is 4x minus 2 into 180. I can put that in the form of a fraction. So this will be 4x minus 2 into 180. And this is equal to 2 by 3. So now here, look at this, 3x minus 2, I'll put this within brackets. 4x minus 2, I'll put this within brackets, and we have 180 degrees here. Now this is multiplication, so I can cancel these two. I can cancel 180 and 180. So here what do I have now? 3x minus 2 is by 4x minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So let me write that. 3x minus 2 by 4x minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Now let's do cross multiplication. We can move the 3 this side and move the 4x minus 2 to the other side. So this becomes 3 into 3x minus 2. This is equal to 2 into 4x minus 2. I have done cross multiplication. So now to open the brackets, we need to do multiplication. So here we have to multiply 3 into 3x first and then 3 into minus 2. So let's do that. So that will be 3 into 3x, 3 3s are 9, 9x minus 3 2s are 6. And on the other side also we have to multiply 2 into 4x first and then 2 into minus 2. So 2 into 4x is 8x. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Let's bring all the x to one side. So 9x, and I'm bringing the 8x this side, so it becomes minus 8x. Similarly, we'll take all the numbers to the other side. So we already have minus 4. I'll move minus 6 to the other side. It becomes plus 6. So here 9x minus 8x is x. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So now that we have found the value of x, we can find the sides, because sides we said are 3x and 4x. So the first polygon, the side is the first one. The first polygon, the side is 3x, which is 3 into x. 3 into, we found x to be 2, which is 6. Now the second polygon, we said let it be 4x. So that is 4 into x, which is 4 into 2, which is 8. So what are the number of sides in each polygon? One polygon has 6 sides and the other polygon has 8 sides. So this is our answer. Question 17. Three of the exterior angles of a hexagon has 6 angles. 3 angles are given to us, and they're saying if each of the remaining exterior angles is x degrees, find the value of x. So first, what's given to us is this, that the exterior angles of a hexagon are 40, 51 and 86 degrees, and the remaining 3 are all x degrees. That means we also have x degrees, then we have x degrees and x degrees. And we know that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360. That means if I add up all these, I should get 360. So let's do that. So that will be 40 degrees plus 51 degrees plus 86 degrees plus x plus x plus x. So 3 of these x degrees. All this should give us 360 degrees. So now let's simplify this. So if you add up 40 plus 51 plus 86, you will get 177. And if you add up these, so here we have x plus x plus x, that makes it 3. 3x degrees, all that should add up to 360 degrees. So now we can find the value of 3x, that will be 360 minus 177. So 3x will be equal to 183. Now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 183 divided by 3. You can cancel here. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18 and 1. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 61 degrees. So this is our answer. Question 18. Calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon if the first one, the interior angle is 5 times its exterior angle. So let's calculate this. That is, the interior angle is 5 times its exterior angle. So let the number of sides of a regular polygon be n. The exterior angle, we'll keep it as x. So the interior angle is 5x because it says the interior angle is 5 times the exterior angle. So we know the exterior angle, we know the interior angle. Now we can find the number of sides by using one very important property of this first, and that is interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. Interior angle is 5x, exterior angle is x. Together they must add up to 180 degrees. So 5x plus x is 6x. 6x is equal to 180 degrees. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 180 divided by 6. So this will be, if you cancel, 6 3s are 18, 0, 30 degrees. So now we have found the value of x. X is equal to 30 degrees. Now let's go back to this. Exterior angle is x. That means exterior angle is 30 degrees. So let's write it here. Exterior angle is 30 degrees. Now interior angle is 5x. That means 5 into x, 5 into 30, which is 150 degrees. Now that we know the exterior angle and the interior angle, you can use one of the formula to find the number of sides of this polygon. And it's always easy to use the exterior angle formula because it is 360 by n. So exterior angle is 30 degrees and that is equal to 360 degrees by n, where n is the number of sides. Let's cross multiply. So n into 30 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now we're going to find the value of n. N is equal to 360 divided by 30. So we can cancel 30 into 12 is 360. So now we have found the value of n. N is equal to 12. That means we have found the number of sides. Number of sides is equal to 12. Question 2, we have to calculate the number of sides if the ratio between the exterior angle and interior angle is 2:7. So let the exterior angle be 2x because in the ratio exterior angle comes first. So that is 2x. If that is 2x, then interior angle will be 7x. Now let's use this property. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. That is 7x plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. 7x plus 2x is 9x. 9x is equal to 180 degrees. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 180 divided by 9. And 9 into 20 will give us 180. So now that we have found the value of x to be 20 degrees, let's substitute it here. Exterior angle is 2x, isn't it? So that is 2 into x. X is 20 degrees. 2 into 20 is 40. Similarly, interior angle will be 7 into x. 7 into 20 degrees, which is 140 degrees. Now we know both exterior and interior angle. We can find the number of sides. Let's use the formula for exterior angle. So 40 degrees is exterior angle. The formula is 360 degrees divided by n. Now let's cross multiply. Remember, n is the number of sides. So n into 40 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now we can find the value of n by saying n is equal to 360 divided by 40. We can cancel. 40 into 9 is 360. So we have found the number of sides and the number of sides is 9. So this is our answer. The third question here is its exterior angle exceeds its interior angle by 60 degrees. So here let the interior angle be x. That means the exterior angle will be x plus 60 because the exterior angle exceeds the interior angle by 60 degrees. Now we have the interior angle, we have the exterior angle. Let's use this property. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. So here interior angle is x. Exterior angle is x plus 60. This is equal to 180 degrees. So this is x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So now we know the value. We are going to find the value of 2x. 2x will be 180 minus 60. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120. So x will be equal to 120 by 2. So now we know the value of x. X is equal to 60 degrees. Now that we know x, we can write here, let the interior angle we said let it be x. So this is 60 degrees and exterior angle is x plus 60, that is 60 degrees plus 60 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. Now we have to calculate the number of sides, isn't it? So you can use the formula for interior angle or the formula for exterior angle to find the number of sides. Exterior angle 120 degrees is equal to 360 degrees divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So here I can cross multiply. N into 120 degrees is 360 degrees. So to find n, this will be 360 divided by 120. I can cancel this into 3. So that means n is equal to 3. The number of sides of a regular polygon is 3 if the exterior angle exceeds its interior angle by 60 degrees. So this is our answer. So with this we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.